Need to insert a table into a Word document from Python, but you would rather not wrestle with Office Interop? With Spire.Doc for Python, you can build, style, and data bind tables in just a few lines of code.
First, import Spire.Doc and create a document. Add a section, then define your headers and data as Python lists. Call section.addTable, true, to create the table with a reserved header row, and reset cells to set the dimensions. Fill the header row with enumerate, then loop over your data and write each value into the corresponding cell. Finally, call save to file and close. Now let us make it look professional. Load the document and grab the first table from the section. Apply style drops in a complete built-in Word look with a single call. We shade the header row gray for emphasis, then fine-tune the right border type, width, and color. For a modern touch, set vertical borders to dot and horizontal borders to none. Save, and you have a polished table. In the real world, your data comes from external sources, XML files, CSVs, or REST APIs. Here et.parse reads an XML file into elementary. We set the table to span the full page width, then loop the rows, calling addRow for each record and writing every field into a cell. Finally, style the header row with a cadet blue background. That is data binding in just a handful of Python lines. The table class is Spire.Doc's model for a Word table. You create one with section.addTable, true, which also reserves a header row. From there, rows and cells give you full access to every cell. Apply style drops in a built-in look, format, borders styles each edge, and preferred width controls how wide the table grows. With Spire.Doc for Python, you get a fully standalone Word engine. Ready to build Word tables from Python? Install Spire.Doc via pip and start generating documents in minutes. Visit E-iceblue.com for the full API reference and free code samples.